let's talk about the NYC tick for a moment. Okay, somebody asked the question, or I sure would ask the question, is it important to be looking at NYSE tick swings from maybe highly negative to highly negative, and does that have more prominence? Yes, it kind of does. If you knew what kind of buying power it took on the New York Stock Exchange of the large participants in that market, whether it be large institutional trading desks, whether it be large hedge funds, large pension funds, those very significant entities that trade very large liquidity levels in equities, as they're coming in when the market's very negative at the moment, where there's very heavy sell program activity, and then you see the NYSE tick suddenly shift from going from very heavy sell programs to very heavy buy programs, it's usually one of two things. Usually, number one, it's some of the biggest participants trying to cap off the selling in the market. So when you go from highly negative to highly positive, it's usually, like I said, very big participants saying, oh, we don't like the selling, we're going to try to cap it off. So they'll come in and buy very large liquidity levels, quantities of baskets of stocks in an attempt to cap off the selling or to build support in the market. And you'll suddenly see the tick run very positive. And it takes a very substantial amount of automated equities buying, as they're buying baskets of stocks with algorithmic programs, to shift the NYSE tick. Now, I don't specifically look for, hey, I'm minus 900, now I'm minus 1,000, that's really got me excited. I don't really give it any uniqueness as far as a signal. It's something I pay attention to, that, hey, somebody might be trying to cap off this market and solidify support on the day. The other thing it can be is, as the market's tanking, there was a lot of smart money, larger liquidity participants that had portions of their portfolios or their trading desk trades on the day that were very short. And they are covering those out in big kind of scale out. They're buying baskets of stocks to cover out of positions that are deep in the money. And so those are the two things that are usually causing very, very substantial swings from highly negative to highly positive. If you see heavy selling and then it transfers suddenly to an extended period or some sequential buy program activity, then that's different. That's most likely you're probably seeing capping. Now, it doesn't always mean that the capping is going to work. Sometimes there's dynamics in the market that are going to create situations that, some of the equities participants buying baskets of stocks, causing the NYSE tick to go from very negative to very positive. That does not guarantee that they're going to be able to cap off and put support in that market. So it means they're attempting to do it. So, but you can keep your eye out for that, hey, now that I'm seeing that, maybe I need to be kind of put my radar on and be ready to watch for a potential shift in equities where I'm getting like a 1-2 hook, or I'm seeing some other pattern that I'm using to take advantage of what could be the potential for a shift attempting or about to take place in equities.